to all of you, respected sir and my dear friends. Today I am so happy because I got a golden opportunity. So I am here in among of you. Now I am going to say something about my coaching. But first of all, I am introducing myself. I am son of Mr. Sunil Sahu and Mrs. Jinku Devi. I am 8 years old. I am a student of class 3rd. My hobby is drawing. My aim is to be a collector. I am going to start coaching. My coaching name is Martasa Coaching Center. My coaching is best coaching in Manikachi. My coaching teachers is very
इसको इतना पीछे नहीं लेंगे
total teachers. My coaching is 4. Our favorite teacher of my coaching is Rahul sir. Rahul sir is very intelligent and a smart teacher. My coaching beside SBM school is matter of great happiness. I am reading this coaching. If I made any mistake during this speech, from bottom of my heart.
हम गेम करना
all coaching members. Today is our coaching anniversary, so I would like to say something about coaching. But first of all, I am introducing myself. Myself, Neha Kumari. I am daughter of Mr. Sunil Shah and Mrs. Rinku Devi. I am 17 years old. I did in class 11th. My hobby is drawing and my aim is to be a doctor. Now, I am going to say something about coaching. As we all know that coaching is the temple of learning. That teaches students many things. Coaching provides a balanced education that helps in improving students' both physical and mental growth. And besides academics, there is a wide skills of education at the coaching. It involves that good education, responsibility, communication skills, and time management. Coachings are that place where we can learn many things, where we make friends, new friends, and those friendships are sometimes carry the thought of life. And it is very important part of education. And Madrasa coaching is the #1 coaching of our society. There are total 4 teachers. They are very intelligent and smart. They are very punctual. The tricks of education are such amazing. It is very useful coaching. It is very useful for education. And it is very hard to imagine the world without education. So thanks to all of you. During the space for that heartily sorry.
भूमि वीडियो ऑन करो ना। वीडियो चालू कहाँ है? गौर भेजती स्माइल टॉपर। सबका लीजिए सबका। कैमरा मैन क्या हटाओगी? कैमरा कौन लेगा? नानी पूरे अच्छे देखो। सेगमेंट है बापरी अरे रुक जा भाई
Respected sir and my senior and junior dear friend, as you know that today is a very special day. For us today is the anniversary of this Margdarshan Coaching Center. But first of all I want to introduce myself. I am Saurabh Kumar Mandal. I am son of Mr. Vinod Mandal and Mrs. Puspa Devi. I am in 12th with art. I belong to Nezra. My hobby is playing Free Fire and my aim is to become army officer. Now without wasting your more time, I want to say something about our coaching center. I am very lucky that on this coaching, it is very good coaching. I like here at Walskia and the teacher of this coaching are too good and they are very intelligent. I like our brothers. I never felt depressed and weak with them by the help of this coaching. I joined my best friend. I like Mantun, Rahul, Sachin, Avinash. They are always with me every situation. I thanks to Rahul sir and Avinash. I want to especially thanks to Rahul sir and Avinash sir and Sumit sir and Mithilesh sir. They are always with me every situation. I never give up in any situation and at last I want to say that I will always miss this coaching every moment. The friend join there every moment of this coaching. I will miss it. I love you guys and thank you.
भाई ऊपर से नीचे आगे नीचे धीरे धीरे दिल्ली गादा भी एक मिनट देखा पीछे लेना पीछे पूरे घुमा के ले चारों साइड खाली स्लो घुमा आवाज नहीं सौरभ भूमि हेलो फ्रेंड्स हाउ आर यू मेरे कॉलेज का फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी है ध्यान दीजिए अपने अपने बच्चों को जरूर प्रोत्साहित करें अरे तुम लोग स्माइल तो दो कोई
बैलून दूंगा हेलो
सब रोआ आवाज तो करना चाहिए कैमरामैन के काम के लिए तो नौकरी है हम करूँ पैसा ज़्यादा है तुम्हें वेल वेल पूरे हाथ उठाओ शमशाद रे मुकेश का तो है सर तो मोटिवेट कर रहे सब टी आर्ट के। सुविधा नहीं ले रहा है। क्या सोच रही है उसमें तो नहीं चले जी कैमरा ऑप्शन मेहनत वेल ताले
Respected sir and my senior, junior and dear friends, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Today I am so happy because I got a golden opportunity. So I am hearing among of you. Now I am going to say something about my coaching. But first of all, I am introducing myself. I am daughter of Mr. Vishnath Thakur and Miss Nanila Devi. I am reading class 12 with Accord. I belong to Nasra. My father is a carpenter and my mother is a housewife. I have one younger brother and one younger sister. My hobby is a singing. My aim is to become a teacher. Without wasting your more time, I am going to start my speech. My speech topics is my coaching. My coaching is happy anniversary, my lovely coaching. Today 4 August is my coaching first anniversary. Last year my coaching started from 4 August 2020. My coaching is one of the most popular coaching in all over the market. The name of my coaching Margdarshan Coaching Center. We call it MC Squad. My coaching teachers are very kind and encouraging toward everyone. My favorite teacher is in this coaching Mr. Rahul sir. He is my class teacher and takes our attention on a daily basis. He teaches us the English subject and tells us a lot of interesting stories. My teacher gives us 141 of our classes every day. There are more than 200 teachers in my coaching. The students in my coaching are so good and cooperative. The students in my coaching are obedient and studious. My coaching has a big place and students are given opportunity to excel in sport. There is diary writing traditional on my coaching. On a daily basis that checked by our teacher. It helps them to understand in a student feeling. We are celebrated all national function in my coaching with great pomp and show. There are very big writing board in my coaching. My coaching is a very big place and beautiful. I have many friends in my coaching where we study and play together. The teachers are so good and cooperative that the children do not feel difficulty in any subject. It's matter of great happiness that I am reading in this coaching. Everything is taught in this coaching in easy language. Everything is taught in this coaching in easy language because we are learning, play and love. This is what I tell all the students: go to Margdarshan Coaching Center and read here, because I know that's a good coaching here. Because I know that's a good coaching here, where we'll taught and good education. My coaching started from 4 August 2020. If I made any mistake drawing this speech, for that heartily sorry. That's all.
Respected sir and my senior, junior, dear friends. Today I am so happy because I got a golden opportunity. So are hearing among us. Now I am going to say something about what first of all I am introducing myself. Kutum Kumari. I am daughter of Mr. Kumar Thakur and Mrs. Surubi Reddy. I have been registered. I am reading class 11 with arts. I belong to Nadira. My hobby is singing and dancing. My aim, Bihar, please. Without wasting your more time, I am going to start my speech. My speech topic, my coaching. Happy anniversary, my lovely coaching today, 4 August 2010. Happy anniversary, my lovely coaching today, 4 August 2020. My coaching is a very beautiful coaching. My coaching name is Margdarshan Coaching Center. We call it MCS Square. It's one of the best coaching in all market. The room of my coaching is very big and beautiful. There are 4 teachers. So very good teaching in my coaching. There is a very big whiteboard in my coaching. I come to coaching for read English and grammar, arts classes, all subjects in study. In all, sir. It's matter of great happiness that I am reading in class. There are more than 260 students. My English class teacher Rahul sir and the arts class teacher Nikhilesh sir. Everything is taught in this coaching in easy language. Because of which we are learning, play and laugh. I am very lucky that I am a student of the coaching. My coaching is very popular. That's a good coaching. There we taught and good education. So I love my coaching. That's all.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Today I am so happy because I got a golden opportunity. So I am here in front of you. Now I am going to say something about. But first all of I am introducing myself. I am daughter of Mr. Muhammad and I am reading class 12, Math and Commerce. I belong to Najra. My hobby is singing. My aim is becoming a teacher. Without I am not wasting your time, I am going to say something about my coaching. Happy anniversary, my lovely coaching. Today is the first anniversary of my coaching. Last year, anniversary day of my coaching. My coaching is very beautiful. My coaching name is Margdarshan Coaching Center. Its short name is MCS Square. My coaching classroom is very big and whiteboard is also big. So my coaching is very nice. Here is all subjects studied in my coaching. Here is very good education in my coaching.
काम बजावे तो बैठी नहीं बैठी नहीं तू दो अंदर की
famous in Manila. My coaching.
वेरी गुड
My coaching is very good center. Mr. Rahul sir, our teachers are very intelligent. My class teacher is Mr. Rahul sir. He teaches very good to us. He is very intelligent. My teachers are very good at teaching. Teachers are teachers to set apart from other teachers. So I
Hey.
have it in this coaching. The students of read one through graduation in big competition. So I like it in this coaching. It's matter of great happiness that I meet in this coaching. I want to say thanks a lot with Margdarshan team. Thank you so much my teachers. That's all.
मैं तो सबसे पहले आप सभी को प्रणाम करना चाहता हूँ। मैं सबसे पहले आप सबको प्रणाम करना चाहता हूँ। झुक के प्रणाम करते हैं। झुकते हुए है जिसमें जान होते हैं और करना तो मुद्दों का पहचान होता है। झुकते हुए है जिसमें जान होते हैं, करना तो मुद्दों का पहचान होते हैं। मैं हरिराम कुमार से आपको एक छोटी सी क्लिप बताता हूँ। आप लोगों सब सुना होगा या देखे होंगे या पेपर में कहीं पढ़े होंगे। ये टीम इंडिया 1983 में अपना फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। टीम इंडिया 1983 में अपना फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। जीता है कि नहीं? टीम वेस्ट इंडीज अगेंस्ट इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। टीम इंडिया घर आए, ध्यान सुनना, वर्ल्ड कप जीता टीम इंडिया, घर आ गए। वेस्ट इंडीज मोस्ट ऑफ द टीम फॉर 87 टीम, दुनिया का सबसे खतरनाक टीम था। और हमारा टीम इंडिया उस समय उसके सामने हाथी के सामने चींटी के बराबर था। हाथी के सामने चींटी के बराबर था। और आप लोग ध्यान अगर एक छोटा सा भी हाथी, अगर छोटा सा भी हाथी चींटी हाथी के अगर कान में घुस जाए उसका नाक दम कर सकता है। ध्यान रखना। वेस्ट इंडीज टीम 2 बार वर्ल्ड कप जीत चुके हैं। 74, 79, 83 का वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है। इंडिया ऑल आउट फॉर 183। इंडिया ऑल आउट फॉर 183। ध्यान रखना 183 का स्कोर है। वेस्ट इंडीज 2 बार वर्ल्ड कप जीत चुका है। उसको ये लग रहा है जो हम जीत जाएंगे वर्ल्ड कप। विवियन नीचे बैटिंग करने आता है, 13 बॉल खेलता है, 8 चौका मारता है। 13 बॉल 8 चौका। कपिल देव को मारा, रोजर बिन्नी को मारा, शिवलाल यादव को मारा, सबको मारा है, सबको मारा है। उस समय उसको ये लग रहा था इससे क्या मुकाबला करना है, इसको हटाओ, मारते 183 तो है। 22 लोग विवियन नीचे का कैच उठता है और कपिल देव पकड़ता है मदन लाल के गेंद पर। कपिल देव कैच करता है, मैच ऑल आउट। वेस्ट इंडीज 140 ऑल आउट। इंडिया घर आए, जीतने मैच। बहुत स्वागत हुआ, बीसीसीआई ने स्वागत किया, दिल्ली में स्वागत, मुंबई में स्वागत हुआ, सब जगह टीम इंडिया स्वागत है। वेस्ट इंडीज टीम 2 बार का विश्व चैंपियन, उसको ये समझ में ही नहीं है हमारे साथ हुआ क्या। उसको ये लगा बंदर पेड़ पर सूखता, शेर को चाटा मार के फिर पेड़ पर चढ़ गया। बंदर पेड़ सुतरा है और शेर को चाटा मारा, फिर पेड़ पर चढ़ गया। उसने बीसीसीआई से, जो हमारा क्रिकेट कंट्रोल बोर्ड है, उससे अर्जी किया जो हमको फुल सीरीज चाहिए। 2 टेस्ट उस टाइम होता था, 6 मैच का वनडे। पहले जो आया था टीम विश्व कप जीत के, उस टीम को वेस्ट इंडीज 1.5 रन से 150 रन से आया। 150 रन कितना मैच ऐसा था जिसमें इंडिया 150 से पहले ऑल आउट हो गया था। 60 ओवर का मैच 150 पर ऑल आउट हो गया था। 6 के 6 मैच हमको कुत्ते की तरह हराया था, कुत्ते से भी ज्यादा बेहतर हालत किया था। वेस्ट इंडीज ने रियल में समझा दिया चैंपियन ऑल टाइम हम ही है। 22 लोग टीम इंडिया बन गया 83 का चैंपियन, लेकिन चैंपियन वेस्ट इंडीज ही है। ठीक है।